Welcome to day number 11 of making a YouTube video every single day, and welcome to another Gaz Right video. Lots of time whilst traveling, exploring. We're doing flair things, we're going to flair places, we're on beaches, we're up mountains. We're just doing flair stuff left, right and centre. However, there are days, as today has been, where it is just a bit of a filler day. It is getting your admin sorted, it is getting set up for the week, the weeks, the month ahead. Lots in the old diary. We stayed up, unfortunately, to watch the England game start at 3 AM over in Indonesia. So yeah, it was an absolute battle to stay up for that, and then yeah, disappointing end. However, let's not dwell on that. Obviously, any Spanish people in here, well done. Definitely the better team. Southgate out and Mark Goldbridge for the old win. In terms of the coming month, we've just got an absolute ruthless setup time ahead. We've got 3 more weeks. We're going to head back to Bali. We've got a few plans around Canggu, meeting up a couple of lads from the old run club, getting a little bit of the old exercise, sorting the old rig out, probably go do Mount Batur, probably go check out Uluwatu again, because that was our favourite place in the whole of Bali last time. But yeah, we're going to mix it up a bit, get the rig sorted and top the old tan up. And then we're going to go check out Timor-Leste, which will be country number 72 for myself. So we're ticking them off nice and quickly. Obviously a little bit slower, the fact we've been in Indonesia for 2 months, but hopefully that just illustrates how much of a flair and diverse place it is. Silly amounts of video on the channel, so you're going to go back and check those. I would highlight one, which is the Uluwatu one. I think that had a little bit of everything in terms of the beaches, the nightlife, the quality of your food, the beach clubs. It's a little bit more chilled, a little bit more relaxed than Canggu, and yeah, not as much traffic. Because I tell you what, driving around peak time in Canggu is animosity. It makes London look quiet. So anyway, yeah, that's obviously the plan for the old next month. In terms of our time here in Lombok, thoroughly enjoyed it. I think the first few days, we've only been in Kuta, to be fair. There's obviously, it's like everywhere we go, we're not staying for a crazy amount of time. So it is a case of, do you know what I mean? We do as much as we can in the places that we go to. I'm sure that if you've been to Lombok, you've probably done other things, explored more. However, yeah, in the week, obviously we just had a little bit of gym action. We've explored all like the best beaches, a couple of days at the old beach club. I would definitely go back and check that out. The fact that we went to that beach club, NBC 3 times in the space of a week, again, hopefully shows you how much of an absolute naughty setup that it was. I'd probably say in Lombok, this has been our worst accommodation. So I think it was on like day 2 or day 3 where I do a little room tour of where we're staying. And yeah, this was been a bit of a shambles. Like it was like a mezzanine, then upstairs there was like slats in the doors, which were just like kind of open to the outside. So you've got all sorts of little critters, crawlers and things just flying in the room at night. And then as you've probably seen just behind me there's so much burning going on, and somebody used to burn stuff every single like early hours of the morning. So we'd wake up and used to be chowing down on a bit of the old smoke, clog those lungs up nice and early in the morning. But yeah, the beaches here are super good. I would say that you need either a driver or you need a moped to get around here. Me and Em have not been on any mopeds yet, so Martin King, again, I'm sorting the team out, but if you do want to get to any of the beaches or you do want to explore, I would heavily advise either getting a moped or, do you know what I mean, getting a driver and paying for that, because they are a lot further afield. And obviously it depends where you stay. We were about a 30-minute walk to the beach, so again, yeah, maybe we should have booked somewhere a little bit closer. Zeno Fitness, where I'm walking now, even though the beerwaries were flowing at a ridiculous pace, probably had about 15 bottles of Bingtan last night, which is less than ideal for the old rigatoni, mate. So yeah, gonna get in there, gonna throw a couple of the old weights around and see what we can get done. The gym there is so good. So there's a couple of gyms in Kuta, some which have like ice baths and stuff, some which are like, I'd say, a bit more closer to the centre. However, I would definitely go to this one. It's absolutely massive. Again, I've put up like 2 or 3 videos this week on the gym itself. In the gym, it is huge, especially if you want to do some filming, or even if you just want a bit of space for your workouts. We went and visited a few. I don't want to name them. I don't want to bash them and don't want to give them a negative review, but they were just really small. Like, they were really nice, but yeah, they were absolutely tiny. So it's just not ideal when you're putting up a few PBs with 8 kg dumbbells. That's not what we want to see. But yeah, there's a whole lovely place. Looking forward to getting back on the old mainland. But yeah, Jesus, that is like every single day we've been here has been absolutely sensational weather. And I think, again, I keep mentioning this every single video, but I just want to bang the point home that daily sun exposure genuinely is 50% of the battle in life. Do you know what I mean? Your mood, your atmosphere, whatever you're doing is better. Even when you get in the tube every single day to work in London or Manchester or whatever it is, if the sun is out, you're having a better time. So yeah, we're looking at permanent contracts for the 2025 season. See what country tickles our fancy, and yeah, maybe move, or we might be back in the Walton space, absolutely ripping it up with the team over at Inferno Fitness very, very shortly. But yeah, it's just a nice chilled out time. Just about to get run over by some kids on a moped, not even looking. Things you absolutely love to see. But yeah, a bit of a relaxing day today. Got some food in the system, and that be all. The lid is on a mad one. But yeah, if you have any questions, Uluwatu, Bali, travelling, finances, whatever you want to know, lid, sun, whatever it is, these glasses at a minimum 6.9% to your 5k PB. But yeah, if you do want to know anything, bang it down in the comments. I'll respond to every single video. We're going to have a little bit more structure on the vlogs in the coming days and weeks, and a little bit more exploring. Yeah, we booked our flights to Timor-Leste, we booked our flights to Australia, filling visas in. It's not the most interesting stuff to be whacking on a vlog. Me just sat there on a laptop just going all day. So yeah, just walking, talking and getting a little bit active. But yeah, any comments, bang them down below. Still en route to 2k subs. If you could do me a huge favour, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow, baby. Remember, the chef, he's always cooking.